Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create a high converting landing page on Shopify. Um, Whether you are selling a new product or building an email list, a great landing page can be the difference between visitors and customers. So let's jump right in. Before you even touch a landing page builder, get crystal clear on your goal. If you want to boost product sale, you will need a click-through landing page. This means a strong hero image, products, benefits listed clearly, and a bold call to action button like buy now or shop the collection. If you are building an email list, you need a lead generation landing page. Set it up with a simple form asking for visitor information in exchange for something valuable like a discount or free ebook. Everything you design after this will revolve you around the one goal. Unless you are a coding wizard, we are going to need a landing page builder. Luckily, Shopify's App Store has some amazing options. Pagefly and Shogun are two of the best. Both let you drag and drop elements, customize your design, and easily integrate the page into your store without a headache. Pick a builder that fits your product type and marketing style. You will save tons of time and end up with a more professional page. Now the fun part. Designing the page. Here's what you need to focus on. Keep the layout simple and clean, no distraction. Highlight one clear offer or one call to action. Make your CTA button pop. Use a bright color, bold font and place it where people can't miss it. Write catchy headlines and that grab attention instantly. And some social proof, testimonials, trust pages, or real customer reviews if you have them. And most importantly, offer something your audience wants. Free guide, limited time discount, VIP early access, you name it. Once your landing page looks good, publish it. But don't just set it and forget it. Run A/B test by creating two versions with different headlines, designs, or CTA buttons. See which one converts better and make changes based on real data. This small effort can massively boost your conversion rates over time. Once you have nailed one high converting page, don't stop there. Make landing pages for new products launches, build pages for different audiences or seasonal sales, create a landing page for every major campaign you run. The more targeted landing pages you have, the more chances you have to turn visitors into loyal customers. And there you have it. That's how you create a high converting landing page on Shopify, step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and comment below if you want me to show you a fully built in another video.